Hey everyone, it's Terry. Today we're going to talk about memory on the sewing side. Check out my videos showing you about memory on the embroidery side and my design center. We'll go into sewing, and when you go into sewing on utility stitches, you'll notice there's a memory setting down here. Every stitch you select has this memory setting, and if we go into this particular stitch and we go to retrieve, you'll see where I've saved 5 different settings. Let's just choose OK. Let's make some adjustments to this stitch, and we'll make this like a tight satin stitch that's wide, and we'll go ahead and add that to memory. Now let's make another one that's narrower, and we'll add that to memory. My pockets are full. So what I need to do is go to retrieve, and I need to decide what I want to delete. Let's just say that what I want to delete is this one right here, number 4. I select it, choose delete, and choose OK. And I've also decided I don't like number 5, so I'll delete that as well and say OK. Now to select one of the stitches and retrieve it, you select it and choose retrieve. Keep in mind you can also delete everything that you saved. You have 5 settings for every stitch that's under the utility stitch menu. I'll choose retrieve and I'm on my way. Now let's go over to the character decorative stitch menu. On the character decorative stitch, you have the memory pocket. And if you scroll over, and I'm holding down my left mouse button, I can go to my memory pocket and I can see what I've saved. You have up to 1 megabyte of memory here to save your stitches. If you want to retrieve something so that you can stitch it out, you can select it, and here it is ready to be stitched out. Let's just go to edit, and let's see multiples of this by going in, and I can see what that stitch would look like. Let's go back into the character decorative stitches and create a new combination. Well, if I want to remove this from the screen, I can choose delete, and I didn't delete it from the memory bucket. You notice it's still right here next to the fish. So let's select a category. Let's go to category 8. And let's pick a couple of stitches and create a combination. I love this category. I just think it's so cute. Some of you are getting snow right now, so let's choose a snowman. Let's go to edit, and let's choose a singular stitch, and let's add a couple of snowflakes to that. So the plus sign is on, we'll add the snowflake. And then let's look at what this would look like in a combination. And again, we can look at it here. If we're satisfied with it, all we have to do is choose memory, and I'll save it to the machine. You can save it to your USB stick as well. Now let's go into the memory pocket by closing edit, and we'll just scroll on over, and you can now see that that stitch combination is now the first position in the memory pocket. Now I'll select this icon and I'll choose what I want to delete. Well, the first thing I want to delete is this stitch. I really don't like it, and I'll choose delete and choose OK. Now I also don't like this one, so I'll choose delete and choose OK. Now if I wanted to delete everything, I can choose select all and choose delete. I really don't want to do that because I like what I have. So I'll choose select none. And now all I have to do to go back into either the character decorative stitch menu or utility is to select a category, and I can move on. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, you can always post them on YouTube, and I'm more than happy to try to respond to them. Thanks for your time today.